This is my creation bag, wherein you can wear it as crossbody bag, sling bag, or even a shoulder bag. Look how stylish it was. O di ba ang ganda? At pwede nyo rin itong gamiting handbag, kukunin lang yung strap, and then attach the hook, and then it's ready to wear as handbag. See, marami kang magagawa sa ganitong style na bag. And you can use it as a clutch. O di ba?